Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to get followers on Thread. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open your Threads application. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now you click here in order to go to your profile. Now tap on the followers list right here. Let's go to the following list by clicking on it, and at the very top you'll see a text that says see others who follow on Instagram that you're not following on Threads. Yet we can hit the see all button, and it's going to show us a list of all the people we follow on Instagram. You'll have a follow all button, and when you tap on it, you will start to follow everyone you follow on Instagram that has a Threads account. They'll essentially get a notification that you started to follow them, and they will probably start to follow you too. So follow as many people as you can, and a lot of them will start to follow you too. It's like a follow for follow method that works great on Instagram for new accounts. The other thing that you can do to get more Threads followers is to start posting good and engaging threads, and you want to make sure that you upload as many as you can if you are new in the app. So tap on this little compose button, and then you'll get to this page where you can start posting threads and photos and videos as well. The more threads you post in the app, the higher the chance that someone is going to notice your account, reply to your thread, and maybe give you a follow. You can also tell your friends or family members about this new Threads application so they can install it and start following you. That's it, guys. You can get followers by applying these methods, and you'll start growing in the app. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.